Hi, I'm Kellee Malone. Welcome to my newest listing, this little slice of Tuscany right here in the Temecula wine country. This property features 2 acres and 2 homes on 1 lot. The main house offers 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 1 office, and features just over 4,000 square feet, where the second home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, all surrounded by a beautiful vineyard. Trust me, no expense has been spared with the finishes of these homes. You'll also enjoy this entertainer's backyard and the exquisite views from every angle. Come in and take a look.